उससे जाता साइकिल से, उसका
Hmm.
बैग छीन के ले गया कोई।
People literally steal your stuff, took out knives, and threaten you. Max 50 pounds in total. So they have this whole section which has like reduced price. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I'm gonna take you guys along with me what I do in my day. So I woke up quite early today at 8, and then I had my meeting with my supervisor for my final project. I did some research work and then attended the meeting. Now I am going to Tesco to do my monthly grocery shopping. So I'll show you guys around that what I shop, how much I spend in a month for my grocery. You will be shocked if I tell you that how little I spend in my grocery in London. Like my friends, they spend so much like on their grocery, and still they have to, constantly go back and shop their stuff in the month. Want to sustain in London, the best advice would be that spend as little as you can on your grocery, because that's where you can save rather than getting frozen stuff. This is how we are going with our luggages. These are my two friends who want to shop as well for the grocery.
उससे जाता साइकिल से, उसका
Hmm.
बैग छीन के ले गया कोई।
Friend was telling me that one of a friend was leaving for his work and he just do cycling towards the station, and one of a guy, he literally took his bag and ran away with it. And I don't understand, like, London, like, it's such a developed city. People literally steal your stuff, took out knives, and threaten you to steal something from you, and you can't really do if they'll just show up the knife. What you can do, you can just save your life and give the stuff to them. And I've heard this a lot of time that people are just going and someone took their phone away, and that's the reason I'm like always really cautious when I take out my phone in public. But the place that I live is not really crowded, and there are not a lot of people around, so it's quite safe in this space, especially when you go to central area, the places which are accommodated by a lot of people. Those are the place where you need to be cautious when you're walking. All I would say is to be really attentive when you're walking around, especially during nights. You need to make sure you don't go to the places which are shady. And yeah, that's the thing about it. Like, every city has its pros and cons, no matter even if the country is one of the most developed ones. Still, I'm here at Tesco now. Oh my god, I was about to drop my phone. So basically, you have to put a coin and then the trolley gets unlocked. And when you want to take the coin out, you need to put it back where you took it from. I just prefer to come in the morning because then everything is fresh, the vegetables are fresh. I never go in the evening because then all the leftover stuff is that, and I don't want to get something which is leftover. I want fresh food. See, everything seems really fresh. This whole bundle is for £1. Basically, it's 127 rupees. Rate is just getting higher day by day, and I would be the happiest if that happens when I have a job. Initially, I was really confused which milk to go for क्योंकि यहाँ पे cow milk में बहुत सारी variety होती है. But then I figured out that I need to go for whole fat milk, जो कि अपन इंडिया में भी यूज़ करते हैं. So I don't get anything फालतू का. I try to get everything which is of my use, and like thoda bahut I get chips and all, but not a lot. For morning breakfast. So the Tesco oil is for 3.95 rupees, just for a liter, and I got it from Co-op brand for 95 cents, which is like 110 rupees. So you need to be really smart from where you shop particular products from. So I don't get my oil from Tesco anymore. I get it from Co-op because it is cheaper. So they have this whole section which has like reduced price, जो मतलब बहुत सारे product expire होने वाले होते हैं, almost to the end होते हैं. They put it, you know, in the lesser price. Sometimes you do find like good stuff at cheap price. So let me have a look if you got something. Getting some snacks. This is the sauce that I use. I'm taking this rice noodles. I'm craving to make pad thai, and it costed 1.90, which is 250 something in Indian rupees. मन तो बहुत कुछ हो रहा है लेने का. I want to have this udon noodles as well, but I just have to control my cravings. So the bill was 35, 16 something, and this will literally last me for a month. और बीच में हाँ मैं कुछ ग्रोसरी करती हूँ, but max 50 pound in total is my month expense. So I think that's a pretty much good thing. Like I save good on my grocery. Like my friend who got, let me show you what he got. Of stuff he got. For 37 pound, and those are just snacks. So guys, you need to be smart. Don't spend like, you know, on senseless thing. Done with my shopping. Now we are heading back to our accommodation, and literally it's like so light to carry with this luggage. And yeah, I think that's what everyone should do. Just थोड़ी ऐसी खुदूरी जगह पे थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है उठाना. The struggles of being international student इतना easy नहीं होता है जितना बाहर से दिखता है. सब कुछ आपको खुद ही manage करना. I would say if you wanna save on your grocery, you need to start cook your own meal rather than, you know, depending on ready to eat food or just stuff, you know, which are frozen and are easy to cook. थोड़ी मेहनत लगेगी, but you'll save a lot of your money on your grocery. Trust me, like the other friends of mine who don't know how to cook, they spend so much in their grocery. कितने कम में मेरा grocery का काम हो जाता है just because I know how to cook, and to be honest, I enjoy cooking. So if you are planning to come, I would say that, you know, learn how to cook. Look at the pigeons. यहाँ के pigeons से इंसान डर जाएंगे पर pigeons नहीं डरेंगे. ये हमेशा रोड पे घूमते हैं. यहाँ पे कभी उड़ते हुए मैंने नहीं देखा कोई भी बर्ड को. हमेशा रोड पे चलती हुई देखा है. Okay, so I'm finally back home. I'll just organize everything that I got, and then I have got work to do. So whatever I'll do, I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so I just organized the fridge. It looks nice. Having my first meal of the day. So I took a nap for an hour. Now I'm going to the event that is happening down here in my accommodation. It's a sit and paid event. And I was sleeping, but I was like, I have to attend that. Let's see.
More drinks before I put them away.
No, thank you.
I want one.
Okay, so I have to cook my dinner, and I don't know, like my periods are about to come. I'm feeling really low. There's this like really heavy feeling in my heart. And I don't know, I went down, just because I felt like if I'll go down, I'll feel better. But no, it is not the case. I'm not feeling good at all. I made sear tomato for the dinner. I have the frozen chapati, so that's what I'll make. I have no energy to make fresh chapatis, so yeah, that's what we are gonna work out with. It is almost 9 and this is what the view looks like. Oh, yeah. Okay, I may look homeless, but I'm just sitting at a park right now. I was really feeling heavy inside my accommodation, so I thought let me just go out, have some fresh air. I got my diary as well, so I'm gonna journal, write some stuff, and I have to take things out from my heart. And yeah, I just need some time with myself, so I'll just sit here, do my thing, and yeah, go back to my place. Okay, now I'm going back home. मैं बैठे बैठे फिर बहुत कुछ लिखा, मैं बैठे बैठे रो भी ली, and I feel so light now. I know for sure it's everything because of my periods. Okay, so I'm back home and now I'm just making my chapatis. I'll have my dinner and then go to bed. That is everything for today's vlog. If you enjoyed the vlog, then please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.